Okay, hi Grandma and Grandpa. It is Riley and Mommy, and we were just saying hi and bye. This will be our last video. Mommy's got to leave for San Antonio tomorrow. We took Riley to the doctor today. He was negative for strep throat, but he still has something going on, so they gave him some antibiotics. And par for the course, Cooper went down to Emporia and he got sick. So now he's got this stuff that Riley has, and he's running a fever and couldn't go to Vacation Bible School, and who knows if they'll get to go camping this weekend. So good times in the Edson household. So glad you guys are coming home tomorrow, and we'll see you next week when well, I'll see you next week when I get home, and I'm sure Riley will see you before that. So bye, love you. Can you say I love you? Love you. Oh, he's not feeling good. Bye.